my revivers, I want to just share with you this quick haul. We had to step out to go to Home Depot to get some wood cut and some other items for my bathroom makeover, and so I'm just sharing with you some of the stuff we got. Now my hubby had some chips, Naya had some candy, and also he had a Snickers ice cream from Dollar Tree, so that's not in this haul. But I'm gonna be making chili tomorrow. So I have ground turkey, my kielbasa's, and my Italian sausages are already in the refrigerator. So chili, we're gonna make it, and hopefully that stretches us for 2 or 3 days, because I'm gonna make a big pot of it. Tonight I'm gonna be doing some baked thighs. I just have a taste for some baked chicken, some real good flavorful baked chicken, no barbecue sauce or nothing, with some rice, you know, the easy quick rice. You know, when you get that first apartment, you think you're cooking for your boo or your date, and you make this type of rice like you really doing something. I had a taste for that, yes. So I got 2 packs of those from, I think I got these from Dollar Tree, if I'm not mistaken. And I got some chili mix, which I actually have my own chili mix, but I don't even know why. I'm gonna just do my own chili mix and put that in there, because I usually, if I use a packet, I do 2, and we only got 1. I don't know why. Oh, my hubby forgot that I needed 2 hard candies for Rizzy. She loves sour stuff, so we got those. I'm over flossing with the other flossers. This is like the best. These strings don't break on me like the other ones do, and then they have the pointed tip on them, and they are good for just picking your teeth if you get meat in it or something like that. We needed some more cotton Q-tips, so I got those. Y'all know I gotta have my ginger ale. We're low on ginger ale, so I got ginger ale. I happen to enjoy and love the actual dish rags. These particular ones, guys, from Dollar Tree. You get 2 of them, and I know you're saying, like, with the color, for those of you who like to wash dishes old school and put the bleach in it, it does not bleach. Let me show you. This is my rag that has been, now it a little bit there, but the bold lines do not get bleached. I don't know how that happens, but it still looks nice. And this I had for a couple months, and the other one I got Saison on it, and it stained it so bad, and I didn't like the way it looked, because I like to keep it like hanging over my thing like this. So yeah, these are really good, really good. I had some silicone mats. Them bad boys just have seen their day, and I couldn't take it no more, because we do the baking, we do cookies, and I do a lot of different baking, period. But when I said bacon, like baking the meat, we like to put it in the oven, and this is good for not letting it stick to the pan. So I had to go back to my parchment paper. I know. I had to go back to that. Also, I got 2 bags of corn, because we're going to have this with the corn and the baked chicken tonight. And I got a box of my shortbread cookies, which are pretty good, but not as good as the ones I got from Ontario. And then I got my little mini trash bags, vanilla scented, Dollar Tree, nope, Aldi's crackers for our chili. We have to have crackers for our chili. Then I have some chili ready tomatoes. I also got some little cherry tomatoes that I'm going to dice up and put in the chili as well, in the refrigerator already, that we use for our tacos. So I'm going to use the remaining of them to put in the chili. Some tomato paste, some tomato sauce. I thought I had 2 of these. I could have sworn I had 2 pastes. Maybe it fell out in the car. I think it did. I got 3 dark low sodium and 3 light low sodium beans. And then from Walmart, I also got this satin blossom white, and I got a crayon black satin. And those are going to be for these pots here that I want to change. These are the ones I got from Aldi's, and I showed you guys these in the live. I'm going to change those to black for the bathroom, and this is a plant that I'm going to be putting in the bathroom as well that I love. It is so cute. I got this from Wegmans. I got a AAA gift card from Wegmans grocery store for $10, so I got this little plant and these kitchen towels. Now when I'm cooking, I like to have a towel over my shoulder to wipe my hands. And these right here are supposed to be really good towels, and they were like $4 a piece. And so I got them with my gift card. I think after the gift card, between these 2 and that, I had to pay like $3 out of pocket, which wasn't bad. So, yep, that is the mini haul. And now I'm getting ready to put this stuff up and then get on to my projects, because today we're hoping to get that bathroom finished and completed, so that we can get all this stuff out my dining room. Let me show you guys. So remember, that was in the bathroom. It had all of this stuff here, but somebody is supposed to be buying that off of Facebook. This is the actual mirror, but I want to sand it and paint it a different color. And I don't know, I think I'm going to sell this. This here is 28 inches tall, so it's a big vase. Yeah, so, and I also on my table have all the masks that were in my bathroom. So yeah, guys, I want to get all this stuff out of here. We're going to keep these, but the way we put them in there, it's not going to intervene with the decor and the look that I want to have. I'm sorry, the fan is on in the background, so I hope you can hear me. So this stuff is going back in my bathroom. But yeah, that's what we're rocking with now. And I found my clock mechanism, so I can build the clock that I want to build. I don't know exactly where I want to put it, but I think I have a good idea. So yeah, just stay tuned for all these DIYs and different things I'm going to be doing in the house, because you are definitely going to enjoy them. And I hope you guys enjoy this food haul. Mix of a little bit of this and that. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you thumbs up. If you have questions about anything on this island, please let me know. I just sat here and thought about the fact that I called this an island, right? But an island is a piece of land surrounded by water. So this is not floating in the middle of my kitchen. But oh well, it's my island. Say what you want. Goodbye. Talk to you guys later, Gators.